Hi guys, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel Outright Incentives. Today we will talk about the 8th and the 9th principle of personal growth. So let's get started. So the 8th principle is good words. Good words are really very effective as bad words. When you start something by Bismillah, it really boosts up your dedication to that work. Start eating food and drinking water by Bismillah and end with Alhamdulillah. If you are really bad at something, you should ask yourself to be good at that every now and then, and after no time, you will be really good at that thing. So keep asking your mind such things. If you say to yourself you are beautiful and keep saying that, you will look more beautiful than before. Say good night and good morning to yourself because it boosts up your power to handle anything. So keep saying good words to yourself. And the 9th principle is congratulate yourself for this growth. Positive reinforcement will encourage you to keep going and keep growing even when that reinforcement comes from within. Take a moment of this day and reflect on the ways that you have improved your overall well-being and plan to complete these actions again tomorrow. The more you consistently contribute to your self-improvement, the faster you and the rest of the world will start to see the results. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did, do not forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to Outright Incentives.